Hi, welcome to the table with Tony D. I'm Tony D. Today's date is March 12th, 2020. Um, the latest thing that's been going on is this coronavirus. The coronavirus is like 10 times more potent than the seasonal flu. Today, they shut down the NBA. I guess the season is just finished indefinitely. A lot of places have stopped public gathering, like up in Seattle, where the death toll is rising high. In Oregon and Michigan, and like in California, it's illegal to have more than 250 people in one spot. So now it's crazy. Tom Hanks and his wife, Rita Wilson, are claiming that they're infected. He's over in Australia shooting a movie now. They closed down hundreds of schools. People in nursing homes aren't allowed to see their family members because now they're waving at through a window or whatever. I would post pictures of all this, but I'm just doing it straight live. I'll probably record one and do it later, but I've been so lazy with work enough. But enough about me. If I'm not mistaken, I believe, don't quote me on this, but I believe Delta has suspended flights to certain countries. In Europe, all this is just basically off the top of my head. But I basically just wanted to say, for my part of it, I really haven't been looking at the news. Beat me later, but I really haven't been looking at the news like that because they've been drilling it in our heads. And at first, I really didn't take it too serious because, it's always something. 1 minute it's SARS, then it's something, H1N1, then it's always something. So, at work, the other job, I went and got this. Y'all probably was looking at it backwards, but it's the Coronavirus Survival Guide. Dyslexic people can read it just fine, but it's the Coronavirus Survivor Guide. And it's just basically saying how the infections and stuff go. What are the symptoms? The symptoms of COVID-19 are similar to those respiratory infection caused by coronavirus, including the common cold. According to the CDC, symptoms of COVID, the coronavirus-19, include fever, cough, shortness of breath. Multi-symptoms like a nagging cough or a low-rate fever may appear anywhere between 2 to 14 days after exposure. How dangerous is it? The new coronavirus can be fatal, but not every case possesses into life or life-threatening medical emergency. In fact, many don't. A study published in the Lancet Lockett 99 confirmed cases of the coronavirus between January 1st and January 20th of those patients. 83% experienced a fever, 82% experienced a cough, 31% experienced shortness of breath, 75% showed bacterial pneumonia, 17% developed an acute respiratory distress syndrome. So, influenza cases, 35 million. Coronavirus, 60,363 deaths. Influenza, between 26,000 and 52,000. Coronavirus, 1,370. Cure available for influenza? No. Cure available? No. Vaccine for influenza, yes. Vaccine for coronavirus, no. So, pretty much, worrying about the new coronavirus is understandable, but don't ignore other major health influenzas, such in the U.S. normally rate. Oh, so basically, they're probably say that we still should be more worried about the flu than coronavirus, but it's scary. I really haven't been paying attention, but the fact that they shut the NBA down, and the fact that it's just like President Trump done rode in somebody with a helicopter with it. The Hanks is claiming that they have it. I work in the airport. I'm afraid. I'm just not freaking out, and I'm not going to freak out here on live. I mean, on YouTube. But I just want everybody out there to be safe. Wash your hands. In fact, I bought some alcohol and peroxide from my other job. And I came to work, because I work at the airport. I came to work, and I worked all night, but I was in the international terminal. So as I tried to leave, I had to put my bag through security, and they found my alcohol and my peroxide, and they took it from me, as I knew they would. I wasn't thinking, but they took it from me. So that right there set me off. Like, I was really angry or whatever, so I had to go out and wait till we get more alcohol. People are running in stores. I work in a drugstore. People are running in stores and just snatching all this stuff off the shelves. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Like, we can't keep hand sanitizer, plastic gloves we can keep, but masks we can't. It's crazy. So I just want everybody to do their research. If you don't feel good, don't go to work. Drink your fluids, see your doctor if you can or whatever, but just try to keep yourself safe, all right? I don't want this to run out because I don't want to have to do it over again. So, all right, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe. Thank you to the kind comments I got on the last video. I know it wasn't, it was two people going after each other, but, people like to hear that shit for some reason, all right? Thank you, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.